Okay, quick tutorial video on how to turn a battery-powered Sunjoe weed eater that itself is a hunk of crap into a beast. This came in a 3-tool or 4-tool pack. It hooks up to a shaft that plugs in right here. So each thing has its own motor and then just runs off of the shaft and the battery. But the dinky string that they give you that comes out of this factory hole right there, I did a little brainstorming and MacGyvered this into a 2-string heavy-duty string too, not just the dinky stuff they give you. And how I did this was I took the cap off, the spool out. Might as well just throw away the spool because it holds a bunch of crap string that won't do diddly squat for you. And then I drilled holes on each side that were nice and snug to the line that I wanted to use. And so that factory hole is still there, but it's useless now. Now, by using a 5/32 drill bit to go and match up pretty nicely with my 0.130 inch braided looking heavy duty line, I put it so that the holes would line up with that holder to the original spool, and that kind of holds everything in place nice, okay, and keeps a little bit of a smooth operation still. So then you put the cap back on. Pardon me while I try to record and do this at the same time. And then let's say you shred this line or something. Well, you just pop the cap off, cut an appropriate length, and I still haven't put the guard and all that stuff back on yet after doing this. But then you just reassemble everything and you can cut each end of this. So now instead of one dinky little string coming out and doing hardly nothing, I loved all the other tools that came with this 3 or 4 thing. It's got like a pole saw, a hedge trimmer, and this. I have since bought a cultivator for my garden that operates on it. That was awesome. And it's good for going around plants. And a blower to like blow grass off my driveway when I'm done mowing. So it's a really cool kit. The one crappy part is this junky weed eater. They sell a better one now that actually uses yellow plastic blades and doubles as an edger. But this one I was able to rig up. They might discontinue this because they realize what garbage it is. But if you have one of these and you want to make it useful and you don't mind doing a little MacGyvering, that's how you get her done.